Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this fingerprint flower pot, which is great for a last-minute Mother's Day gift. For the materials, you'll need a blank pot, flowers of your choice, painter's tape, paint, and brushes. First, tape off your design. I wanted to do a straight line across, but let me tell you, it is not easy to do on a round pot. Then paint the design in the color you'd like. As it's drying, carefully peel off the tape. Then take your other paint color and dip your finger in it. Press it on the pot in the shape of a heart. Do this around the whole pot. Let it dry. Then put your flowers in the pot. And that's it! It's honestly such an easy last-minute Mother's Day gift, and it's super thoughtful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.